Hello, my name is Larry, and I'd like to give you a review of the 10-day success project. In just 10 days, you learn how to build a highly profitable internet business while having a chance to win free cool prizes. You can win prizes from $25, $50 to $100 and also gift cards and cash. To join this program, all you do is click here. Once you click here, it takes you to an email, the 10-day success project, where you just put in your full name, which is optional, but you need your best email address. And then you hit start the program now. Once you do that, it would take you here. And all you have to do is fill in your email, create a password, and confirm your password. Pete will give you a welcome to the inside. Let's take a little listen.
Hi, my name is Pete Kachev, and if you are looking for the best way to make money on the internet, working from home or anywhere in the world, have a consistent flow of passive income pay you for your desired lifestyle, then you are going to want to watch this video to the end.
Okay, once you get your email, your password, and confirm your password, you click I'm ready to start. Once you do that, it will take you to the 10-day success project. First thing you see all your 10 days. They will open up one day at a time. So if you started at 1:30 p.m., day 2 will open up at 1:30 p.m. the next day, and so on all the way down. There's 10 days worth of training. Then you have your bonus training, which is filled with excitement. It's real heavy. It's deep. You also get access to this Facebook group. Just click on this Facebook group. And let me see. Can I get it open right here? Maybe not. Oh, there it is. Uh-oh. Just come back up here and become a member of the Facebook group. Come on, stick with me now. And anyway, you will have access to the Facebook group where these people are very nice. They're very helpful, and they will help you with any problem you have. Listen to what Pete has to say.
Hey, welcome, my friend. This is Pete Kachev, the creator of the 10-Day Success Program, and I'm really excited to have you here. Listen, this is going to be probably the best and most engaging program you have ever been into. And the reason why I'm giving it away for free, because I remember what it's like to struggle, my friend. 5 years ago, I started my online journey and I fell into scams and Ponzi schemes. I was not really in the best position when I was completely broke, right? And I had to.
And you can hear that once you get started. But he's telling you like it is. He's breaking it down step by step. Then on day 3, I believe it is, you get into your training. Let's take a look. Day 3, he explains the marketing system, how to build it the correct way, how to get your email set up, how to get email responders. He gives it all out. I highly recommend this program to anyone. Young, old, inexperienced, no experience at all, 10 years experience. This is a beautiful program. It's filled with MSIs, multiple streams of income that will help you make money day through day. This is one program I highly recommend. Larry out here.